Just stopped by this dealership. They got all kinds of Euro right-hand drive things. So this is a Land Cruiser Prado. Not sure how to pronounce it. So that's this thing. Right-hand drive. This is some sort of Hilux. Right-hand drive. Hilux Surf. Then we got a Jimmy 1300 Sierra. Right-hand drive. And then we got this thing. What is this? Nissan Rasheen, four-wheel drive Type 2, only for fishing. Well, that's good to know. And another little Honda. Little guys. Another one. This is a Mitsubishi. Pajero Mini. Then they have a bunch of others.